Hello everyone, good day. My name is Maheshwar. I'm part of Flextronics, GBS IT, and I manage campus selection for IT. Um, Hope you're all safe with all the mental pressure and the chaos that is around. I'm here to talk a few words about the Meenakshi Sundarajan Engineering College and the association that we have. There is only one reason that we are still connected with Meenakshi Sundarajan Engineering College every year for our IT campus selection. The reason is nothing but the performance of the students that we select. It happens every year that we end up, coming to the college towards the closure, towards the window closure of the campus selection. Still, we are lucky enough to get, few bright students from Meenakshi Sundarajan. And I just want to name a few students who are still with us. They are Bhavani, Danishasri, Arvind, Supraja, and Harish. There is one special reason. There is another special reason for us to, get engaged with Meenakshi Sundarajan all these years. Is your students not only go through or study the book materials and your own curriculum, but also they go above and beyond learning new things and whichever is the happening thing around us. For example, we have started something innovative. We have started an innovation lab in Flextronics, and it was Harish and Arvind, who were the first two students to step into the innovation lab when we inaugurated, and the projects that they worked on, it was tremendously appreciated by even our CIO. They're still with us and doing lot many projects that still makes us that still gives us a wow factor. Not only the GBS IT, but also they have supported all the other most of the other departments across Flex. And other students, they are Supraja and Danishasri, they are part of other departments. They still the performance is above and beyond, getting lots of appreciations and lots of special awards and certifications from the senior management. We would like to thank Meenakshi Sundarajan for giving us an opportunity every year, for the selection, and we look forward towards a stronger collaboration with the college henceforth on every year's campus selection. Uh, Good to connect with you all on remote, and thanks to Bala, the placement officer, with you, who were ready round the clock, whenever we reach out to him for the campus selection. So be not only for IT but also for other departments. So thank you once again. Um, be safe, eat well, and learn. I think learning is one thing which is constant, and utilizes time in learning. And I hope you're all waiting for your exams. Please don't ever think that whatever happened to the 10th standard students will happen to you. So be prepared and face the exams well, and all the best. Thank you all.